How to link your PSN account to your Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can link your PlayStation account to your Ubisoft. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or a desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in ubisoft.com. After that, simply make sure you are logged into your Ubisoft account. Now once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a drop-down box will appear where you'll have to simply scroll down and then tap on the option Account Management. After that, you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to simply tap on the option Account Information. After that, scroll down and then you can see the option PlayStation Network. So simply tap on the option Link. After that, tap on the option Continue. Now once you've done that, a new window will appear where you'll have to simply wait for this to load up. After that, simply sign in to your PlayStation Network account. So first of all, you'll have to enter your sign-in ID or your email address. After that, tap on the option Next. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter the password of your PSN account. Now once you've entered that, tap on the option Sign In. In my case, it is currently showing error, but in your case, once you enter your email address and your password, your PSN account will be successfully linked to your Ubisoft account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.